Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again so much for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick look here again at MYRO, seeing what's going on. We're going to double check a couple of things here. We are starting to see lower lows and lower highs here, so that is never a great sign, but there are reasons why that's not a big deal too, right? So we're going to double check that and a few other things. If you're new to the channel, welcome on board. Hope you can learn something today if you do want to become a better trader. CryptoCash.tech is a site linked down below. I have a trading academy, community, and signals group. A lot of fun there. We got a fantastic Discord community here. Awesome admins, as well as just some nice profits here. We took some Litecoin profit, 115%, AVAX in 3 days, 46%. And then, of course, we took SCI trade as well on Thursday of last week, 37% in 3 hours. So good little swings trades there. So far, so good. If you have any concerns or questions about that, feel free to reach out, obviously, if you're curious about what that all looks like. However, at this point, we won't talk about MYRO and see what's going on. We can see money flow index super high. Okay, so until it starts tapering off, we have no reason to consider selling. Now again, this is a daily time frame. It's going to show us like lagging results. So the truth is, stochastic RSI is swinging down, and the price action kind of staying roughly where it's at. Very, very good sign. But we can see a diminishing amount of volume as the price comes down, which is generally not a great sign. Okay, but again, we're below 70 on the RSI, somewhat of a resistance there. A lot of reasons why the price action is looking bullish for the most part, but still some signs also telling us we're starting to pull back and we may continue to. Just being mindful of that is all it is, okay? Sky's not falling, all good, nothing to worry about here, but let's take a look here, okay? 4 hour time frame, treading water closer to 50 on the RSI. Being above 50 on the RSI is important. Lets us know we're above a key level support. Okay, we can kind of see that support level here roughly at about 34, 35 cents on the charts. We can also see MACD is diverging here. However, we got stochastic swinging up here, converging as well. But money flow index, as you can see, is still quite low. Okay, so that is a cause for concern for me because I do not like to see the price action below the moving average here, and that's not a good sign. Okay, so again, it doesn't mean the price is going to drop. It just implies we might see a shift in momentum, and the price action could shift gears. We're now under the 20-day SMA, so we got to be mindful that the price could continue lower. Okay, look in the hourly. Let's confirm this here as well. Ichimoku cloud, we are within the cloud. Lagging span is not really free and clear of the price action. Conversion lines above the baseline. This is a mixed bag of garbage. Okay, no other way to put it. Truth is, there's no confirmation for a long position because essentially we are establishing lower lows and lower highs. We can see lagging span is not free and clear above the price action, which is never a great sign. And then generally speaking, we can also confirm the lagging span and of course convergence. I mean, there's really nothing here that's looking positive. We got some conflicting information. Our point of control based on volume is above the price action right now. Unless we can soundly close above 38 cents, there's no reason to consider a long position right now. Okay, so again, that's just generally what the charts are telling us. Do I care about this coin in the big picture with an emotional bias? I don't, and you shouldn't either. Okay, I say that because a lot of people will unfortunately attach themselves to a coin thinking that it's just the best thing ever, best project ever, and the coin can be trash for based on the charts. I'm not saying this is it at all, but doing fantastic. However, try not to make an emotional trade, I guess, is the bottom line there. We take emotionless trades in our committee and we take good profit. Okay, future reference too, we were taking some nice profit last month, 2200%, 100% accuracy. This month we're about 90% accuracy, and I think about 800 or 900% returns so far. But again, the month is still young. We'll see what we can do here. But generally speaking, at this point, I would say no trade is a good trade for this coin. If you're going to trade right now already and you're in profit, just adjust your stop loss higher. If you're in the red, consider taking a smaller loss so it doesn't become a big loss. I'm not saying the price is going to drop. Just saying there's some signs here telling us it has slightly more propensity to continue lower until it doesn't. And we don't have any reason to think that the price is just going to surge out of nowhere. If it does, it'll be completely random. The charts are not essentially telling us that we should see a surge here. Okay, we're just right in the middle of this volume zone, and as you zoom in, we're kind of within a resistance. We have that previous resistance we haven't closed over yet on the weekly yet at $38, or sorry, 38 cents. $30 would be nice. But generally speaking, no trade is a good trade, right? You got to get on board with that. I take 95% of my trades are no trades. That's what I do. I look for reasons not to take a trade, and I hope you can too. All right, that's where we're at there. Last but not least, too, make sure you check out Bitunix Phenomenal Exchange. No KYC or VPN required. Be sure to reference them. They're awesome. You have to use my link to benefit from these rewards, but you'll be eligible for future trading competitions. It's really a lot of fun. All right, folks, have a good rest of the day. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks again for your time.